In this video, I'll guide you through how to add products on hosting a website builder using WordPress and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confidently publish a product on your online store. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website. Open your browser, go to your site's admin login page, and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard with a menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. From here, look at that left sidebar and find the option labeled Products. Hover your mouse over it, and in the submenu that appears, click on Add New. This opens a blank product page where you'll set up everything related to your item. At the top of this page, you'll see a field where you can enter your product title. Type in the name of your product here. Just below that, there's a larger text area for the product description. This is where you explain what the product is, who it's for, key features, and any important details the customer should know before buying. If you're using hosting as tools in 2026, you'll see a Generate Content button connected to the built-in Hostinger AI assistant. You can type in your product name and click this button to automatically draft a description. This can save a lot of time. Once the AI generates a description, read through it carefully and edit it so it matches your brand's tone and includes any specific information your customers need. Next, scroll down to the product data box. This is a crucial section because it controls pricing, inventory, and variations. Make sure the product type is correct, then find the field labeled regular price. Enter the amount you want to charge for this product. This is the price your customers will see on the front end of your site. Now click on the Inventory tab within the product data box. Here you can set an SKU, which is an internal code that helps you track and identify the product. You can make this code meaningful to you, for example, including part of the product name or category. Below that, you'll see an option called Manage Stock. Turn this on if you want WooCommerce to automatically track how many items you have available. Once enabled, you'll be able to enter the stock quantity, so the system knows when to mark the product as out of stock. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or any other variations, go to the Attributes tab, add an attribute such as size or color, and then list the available options like small, medium, large, or red, blue, green. Attributes help customers filter and choose exactly what they want and are especially important if you plan to set up variations later. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Product Image. Click Set Product Image. This opens your media library where you can either choose an existing image or upload a new one from your device. Select a clear, high-quality photo that represents the product well, then confirm your choice so it appears as the main image. Once you've reviewed your title, description, pricing, inventory settings, attributes, and product image, you're ready to make your product live. Look for the blue Publish button, usually in the top right corner of the page, and click it. After a moment, your new product will be published and visible on your store. That's all there is to it. You've added a product to your Hostinger-powered WordPress site, complete with pricing, stock tracking, and a featured image, and you're one step closer to running a fully functional online store.